This Brunnera has been growing in this location for 3 years, and I'm going to show you how I planted it and how I've taken care of it. It's a pot of Siberian Bugloss I got from the nursery, and you can see it's Jack Frost. You can tell by the white frosting on the leaves. So I'm just digging a hole here for that pot, and it does best in like moist, well-drained, rich soil with lots of organic material. And make the hole about the right size for the depth, so it's growing at the same depth that it was in the pot. And just gently squeeze the sides of the pot to get it to fall out, and set it in there, and then just push the dirt in around it to fill in all the air spaces. This is hardy in zones 3 to 8, and it'll grow 1 to 1.5 feet tall, and it's makes nice little clumps. You can see like the little small blue flowers that rise above the plant. This plant is native to Turkey, and it likes well-drained, rich soil in the shade with a lot of organic material. This is Brunnera. I was trying to think of the name. Brunnera macrophylla, and it's blooming right now. The leaves will get a lot bigger on this before the summer's over. Okay, this is the 3rd year growing in this location. So in order to keep it growing like this, it needs plenty of organic material, leaves and grass and wood chips. Those are the things I use. And I've made other videos about how I make my mulch to put around the plants. And so it needs to grow in the shade and have moist, well-drained soil with plenty of organic material. And it's hardy in zones 3 to 8. Now, I hope this helps you with your plants. And if so, just please subscribe to my channel. And I will see you next time. Thanks again. Bye.